Assalamu alaikum, this is Professor Muhammad Hassan Khan, and welcome back to the series of Course Information and Business Management. This is chapter number 4 of week 4 of the course decision, and the chapter name is Decision Making in the Management. This is the first slide of the chapter number 4, and what it say? Let's see. What is decision making? In this chapter, we have to talk in deep or in depth about the decision making and why decision making is important and what is necessary, why decision making is very much necessary in any organization, and especially in the business side, or you can say that for the firm. So let's see what is decision making. Decision making means choosing the best option among many. We are making a decision. So definition of decision making is, you can say, what we are doing, we are choosing the best option among many. Manager make decisions every day, big and smalls. Let's understand this example. Like, for example, you have different options like A, B, C, D. So what you are doing, you are choosing the best option. Like, for example, if you're choosing A, so you think that option A is going to be the best, or option B is going to be the best, option C is going to be the best. So what you are doing, you are deciding, you are decision making. What you are making decision that what option should we choose. Should we choose A, B, C, D? Why we are choosing? For the best option among many people. And what it says, managers make decisions every day, big and small. Maybe possible that decision may be in favor of that manager, or maybe make any kind of trouble. So mean what they are doing, they are choosing. Okay, next thing is why decision making is important. Mean solving problems, improve productivity, guides the team, affects company growth, help in planning and control. Why important? Solving what we are doing, we are solving the problem. Decision, why we make the decision? To solve the problem, improve the productivity, guide the team, affect the company growth, help the planning. So these are importance of the decision making. Let's see types of decisions. Programmed, non-programmed, strategic, tactical, operational. We have already discussed these in the previous slide. So additional to are programmed, means routine. Example, approving leaves. These are the, like, you can say, the routine programs. Okay, non-programs, unique. Example, launching a product. They are come in certain time. They mainly are not they mainly do not come in a regular basis. Like in routine, they are not a routine work. Okay, strategic, we have already discussed, means long term. Company merger, something like that. The company is merging with the other company. Tactical means the medium term or the short term. Mean like hiring staff. Operational losses, daily. Example, assigning task. Okay, these are the types of the decisions. Next, steps in decision making process, almost the same steps. Identifying the problem, gather information, identify options, weight pros and cons, choose the best option, implement it, evaluate the results. Okay, why we are making decision? To identify the problem. If you identify the problem, so gather the information, identify options. What are the other options to solve the problem? What are the pros and cons? Means what are the advantage and what are the disadvantage of that decision? Choose the best option, implement it. Last 7 is evaluate the result. Next, role of a manager. What the role of a manager in making a decision? A good manager makes smart, timely decision. Okay, involve team when needed. Involves team when needed. Use this data. Learns from the past. Take responsibility. This is the role of the manager in making decisions. Okay. Next, we have the tools for decision making. SWOT analysis. We have all many of us know what the SWOT analysis. If we don't know, so S means strength, W means weakness, O means opportunity, and T for threats. This is the analysis for the decision making. Second is cost benefit analysis. You are making a decision for cost benefit. Okay, a decision tree. Like you make tree like certain amount of tree, so like A, B, C, D. Simple that you're this is the tools or for making decisions. Okay. Last is brainstorming. Brainstorming, like you are making the bubbles and putting the different points on it. Okay, so these are the decision making tools. Common mistakes that are mainly make at the time of decision making: acting without data. You're working, you don't have data, so it's you can say that you're going to make some amount of mistake, or you can say that your decision will not get succeed. Ignoring the team, not checking results, acting too fast or too slow, letting emotions lead. Okay, so these are the common mistakes making at the time of decisions. Now, talking about the conclusion of this chapter, what we have discussed: good decisions resolve problems and guide success. Second, managers, we talk about the managers. Managers must use logic, data, and teamwork while making a decision. So, this is all from this chapter. This is a very short chapter, and inshallah, see you in the next chapter, next video. Then, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.